Forever, Omen. We've got you now.
Tell us how you got into their world.
Tell us.
I'm not telling you anything.
Hey. Yeah, what are you doing up?
I don't know, I couldn't sleep. Maybe just the dog next door.
Yeah, something woke me up too.
Probably first day at a new school, jitters. What just happened here? It's all the comics' fault.
We can't let any of this happen.
Nice, real nice.
Yeah, they sure don't make them like this anymore.
Aw, come on, guys. It's not about the building, it's about the people in it.
Yeah, it kind of makes me sad the old school got torched.
Yeah. But hey, new school means new beginnings, fresh starts, right? And I, for one, am gonna branch out, meet some new people, join some clubs, be my own man.
Yeah, you do that, Diz. You do that.
Welcome, transfer students. Principal Pratt speaking. First up, make sure you pick up the school rule pack. I'm new this year, too, so together we're going to whip this school into shape. This is my ship, and anarchy will not reign on its decks as long as I am captain. Over and out.
Over and out.
Appropriate clothing, no messages on t-shirts, no bare midriffs. Oh, come on. Oh, and listen to this. No one is allowed inside the school after 5:30. Well, a new Diz walks to his own drummer. I will not play by the rules. That's right. And now I must find my locker. E21. That sucks. Huh. Hey, that's kind of my locker you're trashing.
Yeah. And your point is?
The point is, and I do have one. Hey, didn't Ellen say that? I think she did. I think she wrote a book about it. And if you caught her show yesterday, which was an amazing show, I mean, it was really funny. It was really,
Hey, leave him alone.
You guys get in my face again? I'll rip out your guts and use them to grease my hog.
that's nice. Good one, buddy.
What?
Now, you're like my protector. Now, I'm officially the guy who needs protecting.
Dizzy, that guy was gonna kill you.
I was fine. I was better than fine. Now, oh, great. This is so messed up.
Okay, everyone have a specimen? Good. We're gonna jump right into the curriculum, folks. So if you're queasy, get over it.
You got a thing about frogs? No one's asking you to kiss it, man.
Do you want something, Vern?
Have you ever heard of a secret organization called the Skull and Bones?
No. And I'm busy.
Busy trying not to
Hurl.
Anyway, I'm putting together my own club, a kind of exclusive fraternity. You could be part of it.
Wow, that's great, except I'm not interested.
Your call. But my society is going to be like the Skull and Bones, but way more hardcore.
Hey, didn't they make a movie about the Skulls and Bones fraternity?
Totally. How about you? You interested?
Me, yeah, maybe. So when do you guys meet?
Tonight, 2000 hours. 8 o'clock, dude. Here at the school.
At the school, yeah. But the rules, no one's allowed inside the school after 5:30, right?
The rules?
No.
Oh.
Come on, it's not so bad.
No, it's not as horrible as I thought it would be. It's just, something kind of weird happened to me today in the bathroom.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Man, this thing like weighs at times.
How can it be back? It's been months. Do they look more like us than ever, or is it just me?
No, they do. They do look like us.
What does that mean, Lance? Why do they look more like us? I don't like this. I knew it. I thought I saw her.
Who?
Her, Violet, in the washroom mirror. I did. I really did.
Look, you just need to calm down.
No, I can't, Lance. I can't. It's back. She's back. They're back.
Is that Dizzy?
This can't be happening. I don't believe this. This is definitely a nightmare.
Yeah, it is a true nightmare. I have absolutely no clue where my next class is. My schedule says language lab, but there's like 20 language labs.
Well, deal, okay?
I can't deal. I'm trying to deal. This is like some kind of scary, never-ending labyrinth. I've gotten lost like 10 times already today. I ended up in the teacher's coffee room. Hello. Help me.
Yeah, okay. Let's go.
Ace.
What's your name?
Dizzy. Donald. Stump, sir.
Principal Pratt. You'll need this. I've got your number, Mr. Stump. Don't make me call it.
Smooth move, dude. Tossing out the captain's rules. Dude, chill. I'm just trying to look out for you.
Fact, Lance, fact. I don't need you to look out for me, okay? You got it? Yo.
Hey, stay away from him, all right? He's bad news.
Lance, bite me.
Callie, this is not a good idea.
Yes, it is, okay? We have to tell Doyle.
Why?
Because I want this thing to stop, now. And I think he knows more about it than he lets on. Like, think about it. The first issue came from here, okay? He has to know something.
Maybe.
Doyle, Could we talk to you?
Not a good time. I'm leaving for vacation tonight. I'm not even packed. I'm totally stressed.
But there's this comic we have to show you.
Look, we tried to tell you about it months ago.
Okay, you've got to see it.
Lance, you said you'd meet me after school. Where were you?
So, this comic, where is it?
It's not important.
Okay, fine. Sage, we need to talk.
Look, just come over to my house when you're done, okay?
You've worked here for a year now, so I feel I can trust you. Besides, I have no choice.
Oh, the inner sanctum coolness.
They're my pets. Reed upstairs said she was gonna take care of them for me while I was away, but of course she bailed at the last minute, so I'm entrusting you to feed them while I'm away.
Okay.
The food is all labeled, and I've listed all the amounts.
Hi, you in there. He's so adorable. What's his name?
He doesn't have a name.
Well, that's just cruel. He has to have a name. I'm gonna call him Giggles.
What are you doing here? Would you give us a minute?
Sure.
What is it?
I just wanted to catch up, see if I missed anything since you kicked me out of your little Necro group.
I didn't kick you out. You weren't ready for it.
Yeah, right. You were afraid that I was learning too quickly. That's all.
Beginner's trick. And you still haven't mastered the concentration necessary to actually close it. For your information, I've disbanded the group. It was taking up too much of my time.
Really?
What do you want?
I'm starting my own group. If you're interested. We're meeting tonight at this school. What we're able to do. Even you wouldn't believe.
Please. I have no intention of joining your little gathering of amateurs. Besides, I'm leaving on vacation tonight.
Yeah? Where are you going?
Egypt.
Oh, cool. Well, walk like an Egyptian. Woo!
Out.
Chill. Happy holidays.
You told me you threw them away. Months ago.
You know what? I couldn't. I tried to, but I just couldn't.
Well, I can. And I will.
No, Callie, go.
You said you got rid of them. And why didn't you? Are you crazy?
I tried. I told you. I just couldn't.
Why?
Because I thought that maybe someday I would figure it out.
That's probably why it came back. It's all your fault. Well, you caused it. You can handle it.
Callie. Just great. Dizzy! Dizzy?
Welcome. I knew you'd join us. So, shall our rite of passage begin?
Dizzy, come on, dude. Let's just go home.
Just chill, Lance.
Aw, Lance, come on. Stick around. Aren't you the one who always wants to know about everything? Always wanting the truth? Well, Doyle will tell you there is no truth, but Doyle isn't always right.
Doyle? What are you talking about? Who cares about Doyle? Dizzy, come on. Let's just go, man.
You know what truth is? Truth is power. That's what truth is. Power. And that's what this fraternity is all about. Power.
Dizzy, come on. Please just leave.
Forget it, Lance. Forget it.
Okay? Fine.
I just locked the door by pointing my finger. I did that. You're obviously not going anywhere.
Hi. Guess what? I just saw the mysterious back room. And I'm not kidding. Doyle has like a full-on pet store or something back there. Who knew? Isn't it weird what you don't know about people? Where's Lance?
Lance is out.
He said he would be here. What is wrong with him?
Okay, Sage, I can't talk right now. Okay, Dizzy, I have to go find him. He's with Vern somewhere, I think.
Oh, he's at some weird meeting.
Who, Dizzy?
No, Vern. I overheard him talking to Doyle.
Where, Sage?
At the school, I think.
Okay.
So, where's Lance?
Just come with me.
This is what's gonna happen here. The two new recruits, Dizzy and Lance.
Whoa, no Lance. Count me out.
Fine. Dizzy. I will release the door. You have a 30-second head start, and then the rest of us will hunt you down. If you can survive without being caught before midnight, you will become an official member of the Deadly Ravens.
Deadly Ravens? Vern, you're joking, right? Because that's really lame.
You have 30 seconds, starting now. 29, 28, 27, 26.
He'll never cut it. We'll have him in minutes.
Right, because you guys are so scary.
If we don't catch him, the booby traps will.
18.
Dizzy, there's booby! Traps on. Dizzy, wait up! Stop getting more tangled, you idiot! Oh, this is so not worth the price of admission. Come on, you're such an idiot! Come on! They're gonna kill us! Get me out! I got it! Get there! Not you guys! We got you! Why didn't you just leave when I asked you to? No one asked you to show up tonight. I didn't ask you to come, okay?
You are such a jerk.
Okay, just because you know me forever doesn't mean you can treat me like crap.
I do not.
You do. You know what? It's just that you're such a moron sometimes. Oh, I'm a moron.
Yeah, you are a total moron.
Good one, Lance. Good one. Yeah? Yeah. Man to man? Yeah, man. Come on, let's go.
Gotta get out of here! Duh!
You're freaking me out. Why do you think Lance is in danger?
Sage, just trust me, okay?
There's no one here. It's pitch black.
You gotta be kidding me. Oh, wait. We're gonna die. And this is all my fault, Lance. Will you just shut up? Oh, my God. I've never even done it. Done what? It. We gotta get out of here.
No, we gotta go. We blew up the boiler room. Come on, we gotta get out of here.
This is so not good. I mean, we almost blew the school up, and Proud was there, and what if he saw us? We'd be dead. We'd be dead.
Okay. No more panic. What just happened tonight?
Yeah, and how did you know where I was, huh?
And how did you know they were in danger? I mean, guys, you're acting really weird.
We have something we need to tell you guys.
We want out. And we're gonna find a way.